Let's take a look at this beautifully tender chicken. I'm going to grab a bit, yeah, in my hand, taste it. Wow, that really is good. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a Thai chicken. It's got lovely, lovely aromatic flavours. As you can see, there's galangal, there's peanuts, there's ginger, there's garlic, there's lime leaves. It's just really, really wonderful in a beautiful coconut milk. Absolutely delicious, doesn't take long at all. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we need. Okay, let's get straight in on this one. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the chicken first, then I'm going to show the other ingredients. So I've got a whole chicken there, which I've cut in half. Taken out the back bone at the bottom bit there. But we've got, yeah, 2 halves of chicken. We're really simply going to get some salt, black pepper, some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, and a little bit of soy sauce. This is a dark one. We're going to give that a mix, then we're going to get straight over to the cooker because I want to get this chicken cooked first before I show you the rest of this. So I've got a pan here. You're going to need a pan that's kind of, you know, not a shallow pan because we're going to be adding liquid to this a bit later. There's nothing in it, all dry. What we're going to do is add our chicken. There's our chicken. So let me just grab one piece and drop it in. 2 pieces, drop it in. Any excess oil and soy, get that in. And we're going to be cooking this on a low heat for about 20-25 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. This is like a 1.1 kg chicken, so 20-25 minutes, fairly low heat, not a simmer, but we will need to fry this and cook it, make sure it's cooked all the way through, and then, like I say, we can move on to the next step. Okay, so you can hear our chicken cooking really slowly behind here. Let's have a look at this stuff. We've got coconut milk there, 1 can or 400 ml. 1 regular sized onion sliced. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Chili fresh, just going to add 1 into this. And then 1 tablespoon here of galangal. Now this is galangal. Some people often confuse that. It looks a little bit like ginger, but very different. 1 teaspoon chili flakes, or chili powder if you wanted. I've got like a cup there of some peanuts. You can use any type of peanut you want. These have been roasted, a little bit salty. Thai lime leaves here. Lemongrass. Fish sauce. And these guys are limes, but they're KAFFIR limes, Thai limes. If you smell it, you'll get them and you can see they're kind of a bit kind of uneven and, you know, wobbly on the surface. If you smell them, you immediately think of Thai food. It's just, that is the smell of Thai food. We're not going to be putting all those in. I'll just put them there so you can see it, but that's about it. That's going to go, all that's going to go into our chicken, and then we're going to just stew it out. It's delicious. So here we go. Our chicken's right here, as you can see. Now don't worry if your chicken's not cooked all the way through, because we're still going to do a big process now which will make sure that it's cooked, but we have got a lovely bit of colour on there. Very simply, we're going to start adding stuff. I'm also going to just get the heat up now to quite high. So we're going to be dropping in this big slices of galangal. That 1 chili, you could add more if you wanted. The ginger. That garlic, in that goes. Those chili flakes, or if you wanted just some chili powder. The lime leaves, which you can just break as you put them in. If you break them, they really sort of let their smell out, and they're absolutely wonderful. And then we're going to go for our KAFFIR lime. Just give them a squeeze and then put the whole thing in. We're going to add those peanuts in. We're going to add the onion in. I'm going to put a little black pepper. We're now going to add the fish sauce. We're going to add the coconut milk. We're going to add a little bit of water, maybe a cup of water. And that's it, you're nearly done now. All the hard work is done, everything's in. And this really is going to be a mega dish. When it's done, it's going to be incredible. Okay, lid on. I'm going to turn the heat back down now to not a simmer but above a simmer. Let that go for about another 20-30 minutes. It will be delightful. You can give it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. Let that steam out. Now I know it's a really massive cliche to say I wish you guys could smell this, but I'm actually going to say it on this occasion because the flavours are just incredible on this. Absolutely wonderful. That chicken's going to be really lovely and juicy. I'm just going to finish this off with a little bit of cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. And that's done. It really is worth, if you can, getting all those whole pieces instead of some Thai curry paste or something like that. This is a really kind of beautiful, mild, deep and super aromatic chicken we've got here in a kind of, you know, Thai vein. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.